Microneedling your scalp, whether with a Derma roller or a Derma stamp, is one of the best treatments for hair loss available today. It works by creating tiny microchannels in your skin that stimulate the dermal papilla and help treatments like Minoxidil to reach the follicles. However, the Derma stamp stands out to be a better option. Why? Because it doesn't tear the skin and allows you to adjust the needle size to your needs. So today I'm bringing you a step-by-step guide on how to use the Derma stamp properly to get the best results in the shortest possible time. So let's get right into it. Step 1. Choose the right Derma stamp. This might seem like the simplest step, but trust me, it's where most people make mistakes. After testing nearly every Derma stamp out there, I have learned what works best. When choosing a Derma stamp, prioritize one with titanium needles and high quality materials. Why? Cheap options often have needles that wear out quickly, meaning you will need to replace the stamp sooner than you expected. Poorly made needles that bend or break can damage your skin unnecessarily, making the process less effective and potentially harmful. A good quality Derma stamp not only lasts longer, but also ensures a safer and more effective treatment. One I recommend is the Follicly Derma stamp, which I will link down in the description below. Step 2. Set the correct needle size. One of the best features of the Derma stamp is that you can adjust the needle size to fit your needs. According to a 2021 scientific study, the optimal needle size for hair regrowth is 0.6 millimeters. Here's what to do. Open the safety case and check that the needles are in good condition. Set the Derma stamp to 0.6 millimeters. If you prefer to experiment with a longer needle size, you can, but never go beyond 1.5 millimeters. Going over that size could harm your scalp instead of helping it. Step 3. Use the Derma stamp correctly. Before you start, disinfect the Derma stamp. The best way is with an alcohol spray, but if you don't have that, warm water and soap can also do the job. Next, choose the area you want to treat. For me, I focus on my hairline because that's where my hair loss is most noticeable. Here's how to stamp your scalp. Gently press the Derma stamp onto the area you want to treat. Stamp each section once. No more than that. Stamping repeatedly in the same spot can cause unnecessary stress to the skin. Move on to the next area until all the necessary spots are covered. Important tip, you don't need to stamp areas with healthy hair. Just focus on the spots where you want to encourage hair regrowth. Bonus tip, combine microneedling with Minoxidil. To speed up the results, pair microneedling with Minoxidil. This combination worked wonders for me, but there's a catch. Minoxidil only works if you use it consistently, every single day. Here's how to schedule it. Use the Derma stamp once a week, for example every Sunday. Skip Minoxidil on microneedling days, as it contains alcohol that can irritate your skin. Use Minoxidil every other day of the week. If you're not ready to commit to Minoxidil, that's perfectly fine. You can still see some hair results with the Derma stamp alone. As mentioned before, if you're looking to try one, I've linked down below in the description an Amazon link to the Follicly Derma stamp I recommend. What about you? Have you tried microneedling for hair growth? I would love to hear about your results, so drop a comment below and let me know how it's going. Until next time, I wish you a happy hair journey. Adios.